We're stopping in Delano, California to meet Lupe and Cruz.
Hello there.
Hi,
Hi.
how are you? You must be Cruz.
Yes, I am.
Hi, Retta.
Hi, how's it going? Let me close the door. I don't want to be rude. That is a door. There's no rushing into this home because this is a heavy door.
Yeah.
If somebody's chasing you, it's gonna take you a minute.
Oh, yes.
So
We'll
how
be
we
stuck
gonna-
here for a while.
Where are we headed first?
Let's check out the dining room first.
This way, okay.
Yes.
Whoa.
A little outdated, a little bit. Outdated. Look at the lights on the chairs. Look at that chandelier.
So this is the garden dining room.
Yes.
Right.
And
Yes.
you have
The
an
greenery.
inside garden.
Jungle.
There is a jungle in the home. You cannot escape the heat. And they made a greenhouse in this house. Well, where to next?
Right,
To
wanna
the
go
kitchen.
to the kitchen? Check this out, Retta. I bet you never saw wallpaper on the roof, did you?
Oh my, it just, I didn't even, I didn't catch it. I did see the lattice. What is that an aquarium
Yeah,
or is it
kind of, yeah.
You could throw some snakes and some reptiles in there, charge people to come visit the zoo.
Make some money to remodel it.
Listen, remodel. This place is amazing. Where are we going next?
We're headed to the bar area.
We
We must see the bar.
Let's go to the bar.
Retta, guess what that is?
That's a barrel.
Yeah.
Is it a spa?
No.
No.
What
Wait
is it?
till you take a look around.
Yes.
Wow.
Oh, TV, there we go.
There it is.
There we go.
That's
This
where I'm at.
whole thing is just for this TV?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
The best part about it, you can move it around.
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
Chris, what on earth?
Look at this. You can't miss an episode.
You have a club.
Yes.
You have a bar
Literally?
space in your home. Who's gonna be in charge of slanging drinks?
Okay, I can hire you.
I
Yes.
make a great sangretta.
Awesome.
Okay, Chris, I get it. It is
Yes.
an impressive home.
Yes, it is.
What's in here?
That is.
That's like a workshop.
Like a workshop.
Okay.
Okay, that's a kill room. So we're gonna close that.
Yes.
All right, where are we going next?
I think I'm gonna take you up to the bedroom.
Okay.
But there is a huge staircase to get up first.
So this is the main bedroom of the house,
That's
right?
Oh, what do you see? What do you
More
see?
lattice.
More lattice.
Is this the honeymoon suite? Should there be a round bed on there?
There was a heart-shaped bed there.
yes.
Heart-shaped.
Heart-shaped
Yes.
bed.
What was he getting into? He's got saloon doors.
Yes.
Because there is
That's a kitchen.
Kitchen back there.
Is that a
Yes.
It's a walk-in fridge.
Yes.
Wow. Wow.
Yes.
This is a full bedroom kitchen. As for appearance, I mean, this house appears to have a jungle inside. Not good. Function-wise, this house is huge. You can cook on every floor, but the greenhouse effect doesn't make it the most comfortable. Surprise, there's a TV built into a barrel next to a massive bar. All right, we're leaving the jungles of Delano, headed north to Anderson, California. I am bracing myself for more hot and ugly. I'm sweating already. I just walked in. I'm noticing the floors.
Yeah.
What we got happening? It's like a cloud. I don't know what.
I don't know what they were thinking when they built this.
No?
So I don't know. Yeah.
Do you want to come on into the AC?
Yes, please. I do.
Check it out. Welcome to the barn house.
So it's a red barn. Did you like the red barn look?
I'm not a huge fan of the red. Like, I love your dress, but it's not a great color. on a house.
Oh, I was like, Anne, rude.
Oh my goodness.
So you definitely have just a beige theme happening from what I can see. And I'm seeing there is a different floor here.
There's actually 7 different types of flooring in here. Abstract art is what it is.
This house was a barn until 1978, and they converted it into a house at that point. So this whole downstairs portion here, where the ceilings are really low, this was the lower part of the barn. And then when we go upstairs, that part was probably more of a hayloft.
Is it hot up there?
It's very hot up there, that's for sure.
Okay, let's go see the hayloft in the barn. I'm nervous.
Sorry.
I'm scared. So, what is happening here? I feel like there was a remnant sale.
You can really tell it's remnant carpet too because it's in a bunch of chunks.
Oh, and there's a little dip right here. Oh,
Yeah.
Wow. I feel like a giant in this room. This is definitely not an adult's room. So, okay, there's another room and it has the same.
Still just as short. They had to chop off the top of the door to make it fit because it's a very short door.
I feel like you're complaining, Anne. You gotta chop the top of the door off if you want to close the door.
The bathroom is right over here. It's right off the kitchen.
I was like, why is there a toilet in the shower?
Well, right when you walk in, you kind of do a double take because
Right.
there's that mirror and you're just like, oh.
Wow, that is an optical illusion. His and hers.
Ooh, that's not a good look. That's not a good look. Oh, man.
That alone would have made me say, something's gotta change. At the very least, we gotta move these mirror doors. In terms of appearance, it's barn style, complete with hayloft bedrooms and faux wood walls. Function-wise, this place would definitely be more comfortable for farm animals. The surprise? They said it was a barn converted into a house. Seems to me like it's pretty much still a barn. All right, we're headed south to another ugly home in a town called Pacifica. It's a coastal community with a lot of 2-story and split-level homes. This house, it's like the classic beach house that someone decided to live in forever, and they could die here if they chose to.
Hi, Retta.
Hi, how are you?
Welcome to our home.
Why is everybody so obsessed with wood?
Part of the motif of the house is this boat theme.
What else can I see?
We come out this way. This is our single bathroom.
Oh boy.
The one bathroom.
Wow, 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 wow. I mean, thanks for the little window.
Little porthole window. Yeah.
There's a wood sun built into the wall. There's a sun in the sink. It's kitschy. It's too much.
Yeah.
The sink is cute, but because they only have one bathroom, it's not cute enough.
So we'll go ahead and go into the office family room.
Got
It's
it.
like our multi-purpose room in here.
Not quite as oppressive.
Not really sure about the loft space up here.
And on a boat, that would be the crow's nest.
Oh yeah?
Right? You climb on up, you're at the top of the boat, you can see everything.
You climb on up what? What,
Yeah.
what are we climbing?
Exactly.
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 They've got nooks and crannies that are useless. I need a nook and a cranny to work, at least the crannies. I feel like I've seen all of upstairs. Where are the bedrooms?
Down below.
Down below. I'm guessing this is the main bedroom. I want to point out one thing. Wood.
Yes.
So appearance-wise, it's all about the boat vibes, but you can't jump ship because it's your house. It's very tight quarters, above and below deck. So it's not really the function you want on land. And surprise, the view from the main bedroom is foot traffic.
Retta,
Hi.
what are you doing here?
You are the ugliest house on the West Coast.
How are you feeling about it?
Each region has a chance. You will be one of 4. That's good odds, y'all. If you are selected the ugliest house in America, you will then get a renovation with a $150,000 budget.
Wow.
Yes.
Oh, okay.